We are ready to transform the security landscape. AI Distribution, located in Southern California, presents the next generation of SMP security robots. This is the most advanced, fully autonomous surveillance system in the world. Powered by artificial intelligence, the robots offer cutting-edge deep learning technology and a threat recognition system. They seamlessly integrate into dispatch and monitoring centers and 100% ONVIF compatible. Improve performance, everyday security operations, and asset protection. Reduce overhead, liability, and risk. The technology of the future is available now.